Welcome everyone to EET 261 Electronic Communications. I'd like to go over your quiz number 2. Question 1, all signal processing circuits involve gain or attenuation. That's true. Question number 2, a decibel is a unit of power. That's false. Question number 3, a decibel is a unit of voltage. That's also false. Please remember, a decibel is simply the ratio of an output power to an input power, an output voltage to an input voltage, an output unit to a reference unit. It is strictly a ratio. Question 4, amplifier voltage gains specified in dBs can be added together algebraically. That's true. Question 5, gain means amplification. Question 6, attenuation means loss. Question 7, the definition of a common logarithm or a common log is the exponent to which 10 must be raised to produce the log. With this in mind, what is the common log of 100? Well, 10 squared is 100, so the log of 100 is going to be equal to 2. Question 8, draw the block diagram symbol for an amplifier and then label the input voltage and output voltage. Symbol for an amplifier is the triangle. Input voltage is here. Output voltage is here. Question 9, an amplifier has the following specifications. V in is 30 millivolts. V out is 750 millivolts. Calculate the voltage gain AV. So gain is always equal to the output divided by the input. So in this case, it's the voltage gain. So V out divided by V in. Since the units are both in millivolts, I did not have to convert, but I did convert millivolts into base units. So 750 millivolts is 750 times 10 to the minus 3 volts. 30 millivolts is 30 times 10 to the minus 3 volts. Divide the numerator by the denominator, you will get a gain of 25. And lastly, question 10. A voltage divider circuit has two 6-ohm resistors connected in series with a 12-volt battery. Draw the schematic diagram and calculate the voltage drop across each resistor. Well, it's a series circuit that has two resistors. R1 is equal to 6 ohms. R2 is equal to 6 ohms. The battery voltage is 12 volts. The expression for voltage divider, VR1, or the voltage dropped across R1, is going to be equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2, that whole quantity multiplied by the input voltage. So if I plug the numbers in, R1 is 6 ohms in the numerator. In the denominator, R1 is 6 ohms, R2 is 6 ohms. The input voltage is 12. So if I do the math, I'm left with a voltage drop across R1 of 6 volts. Because the resistors have the same value, VR2 will also be equal to 6 volts. Thank you.